Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, the MCLAREN P1 is doing really well, but the thing is, I sprayed the second layer of the pink and yellow still showed through. Yeah, but we're gonna fix that today. You guys, we got most of the yellow away. You can still see wee tiny bits of it, but we can just do an extra layer. Yeah, we only need one more layer. Let's get back to work. Okay guys, so now we have the white sprayed. We should be able to spray the yellow stripe and the yellow on the sides again. So we'll do that next video.